Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this lesson where we will be creating these awesome letter image placeholders for SWOT analysis. So let's jump to our class project and let me show you how it's done step by step. Let's duplicate our last slide. Let me zoom out and clear everything so we can just select everything and delete. So we are left only with a logo, footer, and slide number. Let's actually choose a blank slide layout from our layout menu. That's beautiful. Alright, so for this huge letter, I would recommend to use a special font. It's called Winter Glisten. You can go to this website, dafont.com, type in Winter Glisten, and you'll find this free font. So let's just insert a text box. Let's increase the font size to 500 and let's type in S. And let's choose Winter Glisten font. Alright. Let's rotate it a little bit. And now let me show you how we can convert this letter to a vector shape. So for that, let's just insert a rectangle. Let's send it to back. Hold down the Shift key and select the letter and choose Intersect. And this way we have converted this letter to a vector shape, which is awesome because now we can do anything that we want with this letter. So let's increase the size of letter S and position it anywhere that we want. Alright, and now let me take care of these guys on the right side. We can copy some information from our previous slides to save some time. Alright, let me change this icon to this beautiful shield icon. That's awesome. Let's make 2 more copies, align vertically. And we can always turn on the guides to help us position everything nicely on the slide. Alright, that's awesome. So now let's just cut this letter S. Let's hit Ctrl X. Let's go to Slide Master View. Let's duplicate this blank slide layout and let's paste our letter S. Now we can insert a huge image placeholder. Let's make sure it covers this letter and let's send it to back. Hold down the Shift key to select the letter S and let's choose Intersect. This way we have created this custom letter S image placeholder. So now we can rename this layout to, for example, S. And now we can choose this layout from our layout menu. That's beautiful. Let's insert any image that we want. Alright, and let me just grab this shadow from our footer. Awesome. Alright, so now let's add some animations. Okay, so as always, we can use some animations from our previous slides. So let me just copy this fly-in animation from this subtitle. Alright, fly-in animation with some bouncing end. And now let's just use the animation painter and paste this animation to all of these objects. Let's make sure that we have the correct directions. So for the letter S, let's use from left. And for all of these guys on the right side, let's choose direction from right. Okay, and as always, we can add some delays. So for this first info box, let's add 0.2 seconds. For the second one, let's use 0.4. And for the last one, let's use 0.6. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so now you know how you can create your own awesome SWOT analysis slide layouts.